All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top long wheelbase with 8,000 miles, power windows, power door locks. It's got AM, FM stereo system, super nice, and best of all, just minimum damage. Here's your front bumper, as you can see, looks good. Your front hood did suffer some sort of an impact here. All right, let's get that close up. Sort of an impact here. Boom, as you can see, it's a dent. Some small paint off, so it's a dent, paint off, 3, 6, 9. It's about 9 to 10 inches there. Moving around so you can see it better. Boom. All right. This cool fender here looks pretty good. Here's your your front driver's rim or steel wheel. Your tire third here is over 7/32. This door looks good. This here looks good. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. Your tire right back here is way over 7/32. Actually 11/32. Here's your power windows, your power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. It is a cloth seating, as you can see, looks good. Has different options here. Normally these trucks do not come with this type of seat, but this one does have it. It also has the divider. All right, so that's good. Wall divider there. Which is factory apparently, because it looks really good, really professionally done. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls right down below. All right. So you got your cup holders down here. I tucked away your owner's manuals right there. Got your this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for it does have airbag light on, and this is for this caution light here. Must be for the check engine light that it has. It has a check engine light on for heat circuit or something like that. All right, I'll write it down for you guys so you guys can see what's going on with that check engine light. And there's your mileage of 8261. All right, pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keeping it moving, looking good. Rear bumper looks good. Looks good. All right, these doors do swing out all the way. As you can see, this one looks good. Normally these panels here are cracked up. This one is not. At least on that side, I've not seen. See, look at that. And on this side, we do have a cracking right there. See, like I said, normally these doors are like that. All right, this is what your rear trunk space looks like. Our rear cargo area looks like. Your lights up top are working. All right, looks good. That looks good. That looks good. All right. Let's see here. Here in this quarter, we do have a dent, about 5 inches. Boom. It's a dent here. So you can see that's definitely 10 or more inches. Boom. You can see it. See it from a different angle. This is your rear passenger steel wheel. Steel wheel. Tire thread is over 11/32. This door does have a dent here. It looks like from the inside out. This is that beautiful wall divider I was telling you. Fully professionally done. Looks great. It's your side cargo area. Very nice. Very nice. The truck is sharp. Gotta do a little bit of body work, guys. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Yep. Again, it's that beautiful cloth seat. Actually belongs to a different model, I'm sure of it. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. The tire thread here is over 8/32. That pretty much completes the tour. Let me get a ladder so we can check out the roof. One sec.